Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure landing page SEO with Unbounce in the USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure landing page SEO with Unbounce, start by logging into your Unbounce account. Select the landing page you wish to optimize for SEO. In the page builder, click on the Settings tab located in the top toolbar. From the drop-down menu, choose SEO and Publishing. You will see fields for page title and meta description. Make sure the title is concise, ideally under 60 characters for optimal display in search results. Next, write a unique meta description that summarizes the content of your page. Aim for a length of around 150 to 160 characters for best SEO practices. Include your primary keywords in both the title and the meta description. Scroll down to the canonical URL field if your landing page has a canonical version. Input the canonical URL to avoid potential duplicate content issues. Next, verify that your landing page is set to be indexed by search engines. In the SEO and Publishing section, ensure that the Index this page option is checked. Add relevant header tags within your content if applicable. Use H1 tags for your main heading and H2 tags for subheadings. To ensure your images are also optimized, select each image on your landing page. Edit the alt text for each image by describing the image and including keywords. Preview your landing page to see how these changes will appear. Use the Unbounce preview feature to simulate how your page will look in search results. Finally, save your changes and publish your landing page. Monitor its performance through analytics tools to track organic traffic and conversion rates. Make any necessary adjustments based on analytics feedback to improve your SEO further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.